What is up, ladies and gents? Welcome back to the Art of Series featuring your host, Deuces. And I'm super glad to be back to bring you guys back up to speed on what we got going on here in this amazing city we call Cincinnati. Now look, I'm here to introduce you to an acclaimed character who has sparked the taste buds of our local tasters and also nationally acclaimed characters and shows featuring Bobby Flay, Netflix, and the Food Network. This guy is amazing and he's also considered a 5-star chef in our generation. His name is Christian Gill and this is the Art of Cuisine. Let's go.
My name is Christian Gill. I am a food connoisseur, spiceologist, flavorist, and TV personality. Winner on Beat Bobby Flay, Guys Grocery Games, more Guys Grocery Games on Netflix, Snack vs. Chef, Firemasters, just a lot of TV personality. One of my favorite shows that I've competed on would be Guys Grocery Games. I mean, I literally been on it 11 times. The reason it's one of my favorite shows is because it's nothing but nonsense. You literally you have a shopping cart and you have to run around a store and get sweaty in places you don't want to be sweaty at on TV and hope that you don't pop a hamstring. Done that twice. Forget to wear a belt on set. Done that once. Cramp because you didn't stretch before because you're doing a lot of running around. But it's my favorite show because you never know what to expect on that show. It's nothing but shenanigans. I originally was a theater major in college, and then that didn't work out. I just wasn't that good. I wasn't pretty enough to be on stage, so I was just like, all right, well, let's go back to food. I've always had a love of food. Like, I grew up in the kitchen with my mom, my grandmother. My grandmother really taught me a lot of the things that I know. You know, being able to season with confidence. If you ain't sneezing, you ain't seasoning. Achoo. So my grandmother taught me that, and then I just carried all of those fundamentals into the industry after I stopped being in theater. That experience of finding failure in one thing led to a different direction, and that direction was trying to flourish through food as opposed to performance on the stage, which is ironic just because it led me back to everything. Because now that I find myself with a lot of TV appearances and continuing to produce more television, unscripted television, I'm really starting to use a lot of those techniques and a lot of those skills that I developed while in theater, like while a theater major, as well as combining those with my skills in food.
In 3, 2, wait, what do you eat?
Don't worry about what I'm eating, I'm a chef. Chef eat, chef eat.
Kitchen's crooked, so kitchen's crooked.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Alright, so what you got here?
We did a ceviche using Argentinian red shrimp, a lot of fresh citrus, a little bit of like a Rio Grande seasoning from Spiceology. It's really my travels that taught me how to cook better. Like, my grandmother started teaching me how to cook. My travels really solidified and showed me that I can cook whatever I want as long as I know how to flavor things. The art of cuisine means the ability to express oneself through food, whether that's eating with your eyes before you even take a bite, being able to express yourself with the smells of what's on your plate. It's not just what you put in your mouth, not just how it tastes, it's how it truly feels in all aspects. So it's using all of your senses to really just create a new artistic experience through food.
My whole focus right now is all on the color.
I mean, that's one of the things that I really love about food as well, is just that being able to eat your food from your eyes first.
Yeah.
That's something that I've really learned over the last 6 or 7 years just traveling. But you want to dig in?
Do I want to dig in? Do I want to dig in?
I'm just saying. I'm going to let you get first bite though. It's a little hot. So, and then of course, balance it. Actually went to Belize this past year, and that was the big vacation for me and my friends, and so I got to eat a lot. Let's me back in.
I'm gonna be completely honest with you right now, Christian. I didn't hear a dang thing he said because this was so good. But nah, I heard you. I'm just messing with you. Yo, man, thank you so much for making this. Hold on, we gotta take one bite at the same time.
Got you. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Friendship.
So good.
My name is Christian Gill, chef, spiceologist, food brush ninja. This is the art of cuisine. Stay hungry. Oh, I'm sorry. Buongiorno, everybody! It's Christian Gill here. Shit in the Fridge, Volume 2, Episode Cinco de Mayo. That's right, potato salad. We're gonna put that mayo up in that tato and make ourselves a grilled potato salad. Y'all know y'all like it. Let's go! Alright, y'all, so of course we're gonna make potato salad because it's season 2, episode Cuatro plus uno, that equals Cinco de Mayo. Yeah, so potato salad, but the best thing about this potato salad, the most important thing about this potato salad is that we're gonna have a grill. So,
hey, Christian, what are you guys doing? Hi, everyone. What are you doing in my kitchen?
hi Mark,
Hi.
this is not your kitchen.
It clearly is. My bed is right there.
The floor.
It's a pile of old laundry, actually, and it's worked fine for years. You're in my kitchen. Okay, fine. Technically, it's not my house. It's my mom's house, but she lets me live here rent-free.
So it's Stacy's house.
Yeah. Hi, Stacy.
Look, no matter what, we're gonna make a grilled potato salad, so we need a grill. So Mark, please.
Oh, what a surprise. You barge into my house and then you
Barge.
need my grill too. Yeah, so don't worry, dude.
Rented.
I've got you all taken care of. I have an incredible grill. I spared no expense for
All
you.
right, so thank you.
My buddy George gave it to us.
So your buddy, wait, no. George.
Yeah, you know, super popular. Makes grills. It's a lean one too. Check it out. It's even got a bun warmer tray up top. Keep them buns warm.
This can't be the grill that we're using today.
Why not?
That's the only grill you have in your house?
I mean, it is maybe a little disappointing, I suppose, if you broke into someone's house and they only had this, but...
All right, hold on. No, there was no...
Sorry, my
breaking.
Tiffany bowls weren't enough.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
That is...
All style.
Okay, yep, all style.
It is.
No
Oh yeah, I'm
substance.
sure your grill has a cool blue plastic lid like this. Come on.
You know what? He's right.
You know what? Yeah, I am right. And on that, I'm going to make the salad myself. Hey, everyone. A real chef here, Mark Borison, shit in the fridge. You know what? I don't think we need these. Let's figure this out. I'm going to grill some potatoes up. I'm going to probably chop some things.
Nope.
Ah!
Salad. Toss it, toss it, toss it, toss it. Say she wants a salad. You want it, want it, want it, want now. The salad, the Caesars and croutons gonna make you the donuts, gonna lick it on up. Cucumber baby, gonna make you say hey, you're gonna make you to shake it. Wanna taste it, taste it, taste it now. No, you want a salad. Caesar, 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 Caesar. Give her that salad. Please, 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 out the salad. Apples and walnuts, gonna make it a donut, gonna shake it on up. Give her the ranch, I'm gonna French it and slam it, gonna make you say jam it, gonna shake it, shake it, shake it now. The salad's on. Want a salad? Crouton, 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 crouton. Give me that Caesar. On the futon, 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 futon. The salad, I'm sipping and shaking. Gonna make you to quake and wanna lick it on up. Grape nuts and ranch, I'm gonna make you say fancy. Gonna make you to lance it. Wanna shake it, shake it, shake it now. The salad's on. Salad's on. I don't think she's done yet. Give her a little more. Come on. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it.